Okay, here we go. So we've got a speaker. I'm not sure if, these cables are supposed to go into the speaker. Not sure where this orange and blue cable are supposed to be. We've got this part here. It might be the infrared sensor or something, because she can communicate to Kovu. There's this set of yellow wires that goes up into the ear for her ear push button. So those go into the ear. We've got her moving jaw mechanism here. Let's pull that out. So this moves the jaw. As you can see, that is what moves her lower jaw. So when she speaks, it moves. We've got some of this over here. And then there's all of these wires. Let me kind of tuck her speaker back into her chest. So she's got all of these wires that come from this main box. This is Thinkway Toys / Thinking Toys. So we've got all of these wires. 2 of them go down. 2 of these yellow ones go down into the foreleg, which I've kind of opened up here, so you can kind of see. So we've got a purple one, and it goes to this push button here. And I noticed when I was kind of feeling around looking for any damage, I did find that this one here looks like it did have some soldering done. Don't know if that was done by the manufacturer or if this thing has been previously repaired. I'm suspecting this could be a contributing issue, but mostly I'm just wondering where these 2 cables are supposed to go. Because they go, from wherever they're supposed to be down into this main unit. And I don't know what these 2 are, so I'm thinking these might be the problem. And maybe this joint here that needs to be probably resoldered and, strengthened with some heat shrink. Speaker unit. I'm assuming this might be the infrared sensor. And then that moving jaw mechanism up in here. It doesn't really seem to have any wires attached to it. Not that I can see. So it's possible that maybe those 2 wires go to this somehow, some way. Maybe in here. I don't know. I am definitely open to some insight. I would love to learn how to repair electronic plushies, just for my own satisfaction, because I just like plushies. Alrighty. Thank you.